Okay, modular arithmetic. So every day we are doing model operation without even knowing that we are doing it. So their learning outcomes discuss fundamental concepts and operations of modular arithmetic and group theory. So, modular arithmetic is a special type of arithmetic which involves only integer or z or a system of arithmetic for integers. So, if we are going to work on integers, we are going to wrap around uh, after reaching a certain value called modulus. For example, if we want to determine a time in the future or in the past, it is necessary to consider whether we have passed 12 o'clock. To determine time, 8 hours after 3 o'clock, we add 3 and 8 because we did not pass 12 o'clock. The time is 11 o'clock. So, as stated in the figure. Yan, 3. Then plus another 8 hours. So, 11 o'clock. So example 2, if it is 12. Now, what time is it in 18 hours? So what is the remainder when you divide 18 by 12? So answer, if it is now 12, adding 18 hours starting from 12 would give us 6 o'clock. Dividing 18 by 12, the remainder would be 6, and hence the time after 18 hours starting to 12 o'clock is 6 o'clock. Or if you are still confused about such mathematical problems, ay pwede naman kayong mag-drawing. Kasi yun yung para mapadali din kasi yung pag-alam nung about sa mathematical problem, always draw, always list para mas mag-visualize nyo sa paper yung sagot. Example 3, day of the week. Yan. If we assign a number for each day of the week, for example, Monday 0, Tuesday 1, Wednesday 2, Thursday 3, Friday is 4, Saturday 5, and Sunday 6. Say today is Wednesday, and what would be the day 11 days after Wednesday? What would be the remainder if we are going to divide 11 by 7? Answer, based on our given days in a week above, the equivalent number for Wednesday is 2. And adding 11 days after Wednesday, we got Sunday, where this day has an equivalent number as 6. So, adding 2 by 11, the result is 13. And if we are going to divide 13 by 7, the result is 6. Hence, 2 plus 11 is equals to 6. Or again, if you are still confused about doing such division, again, there is an option. E di, kailangan mag-drawing. Okay, for more definition of modular arithmetic, so two integers a and b are said to be congruent modulo n, where n is an element of capital N. If, ito ang rule, a minus b over n is an integer. In this case, we write a is congruent to b modulo n. The number n is called the modulus. The statement A is congruent to B modulo n is called a congruence. Second, this could be stated in this form. If A, B is an element of Z and N is an element of Z, then A is congruent to B modulo N if and only if N is A minus B. So, tandaan yung formula na ito, A minus B over N. Yan. Pag nilapat na sa mismong math is 53 congruent to 17 modulo 3. How about 53 congruent to 14 modulo 3? What about 53 congruent to 11 modulo 3? So, A. Ang A po dito, makikita natin sa solution ay yung 53. Then the letter B ay yung 17. Then our N will be the modulo. Again, our 53 is A, 17 is the B, then our N is 3. So yeah, 53 minus 17 over 3 equals 36 over 3 equals 11. So 11 is an element of Z or integer. So again, going back, is an integer dapat. So there are cases na may remainder yung magiging sagot. But in this problem, dapat same yung remainder. Dapat lahat nitong binigay na modular arithmetic, dapat kapag kinompute sila dito sa A minus B over N, dapat yung magiging sagot nila ay pare-parehas ang remainder or integers. Kasi ang ginagawa ng iba sa pagkuha ng modular arithmetic division. Pero kung ang nangyari ay division, basta ang remainder ay the same all throughout this given numbers or modular arithmetic ay dapat parehas ang remainder. So, hindi ko na po diniscuss yung the group theory and other other parts. So, I will get the certain percent kung ilan po ang points na hindi ko na-discuss that is in the midterm exam ay kukunin ko from your quiz. So again, since hindi ko na-discuss yung iba dahil hindi ko masyadong pinocus yung discussion since problem solving din kasi may nilagay na silang problem solving. So, yung bibilangin ko yung mga points again, then kukuha ako ng ilang percent from your quiz. Pero itong, kasi madali-dali naman itong pagkuha ng or identify if congruent itong modular arithmetic. Basta tandaan lang yung A minus B over over N. So again, ang ating A ay yung nasa unang part. Then a B after the congruent sign. At ang ating N ay yung modulo. Okay, that would be all for the modular arithmetic.